Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a Foundation Maths GCSE Paper 1 question. This is from November 2023. So it's a non-calculated paper, but question 14 here asks us to draw the graph of y equal to 4x minus 1. So what we need to do, to draw it from the values of x from minus 2 to 2, we need to draw up a table of values. So you have x and y, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. And then we're going to plot it here. So you can see it's minus 2 all the way to 2 on the x-axis, and we need to find the y coordinates for each of these points. So we need to use substitution, so that's the skill we need here. I'll always start with 0 and then 1. These are easier, and then go back and look at the negatives. So if I put 0 into here, it's 4 times 0 minus 1, so that'll be minus 1. And that will become the coordinates that I plot. Put 1 into here, 4 times 1 minus 1. 4 times 1 is 4, minus 1 is 3. 4 times 2 minus 1, 4 times 2 is 8, minus 1 is 7. So those become our points. Now, I could use negative numbers here and substitute them in the same way, or I could notice that what's happening is, like a sequence, it's going up 4. The gradient is 4, so I'm adding 4 each time. So I could just subtract 4 and get minus 3. But let's just check that. If I do 4 times minus 1, and then, sorry, that should be minus 5, my mistake. Minus 1, minus 4. And that's right, I'm glad I checked it. 4 times minus 1 is minus 5. Now I should know it's going down minus 4. That'll be minus 9. But again, I'll check with substitution. Minus 4. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8, minus 1, and I get minus 9. So I could use both ways, substitutions or noticing the sequence using the gradient. It's going up by 4 each time. Add 4, add 4, add 4. Okay, now that'll give us one of the marks. It's a 3-mark question. Now we've got to plot those correctly and draw the graph. So I'm going to start again with 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is there. 1, it's 3. The scale is slightly different. It's 2 blocks for 1. So 1 is 3. The y-axis has 1 block, whereas the x-axis has 2 blocks. 2, 7 becomes the next point. 2 and 7. So I mark it there. Okay. And now with the ruler, I could connect those. I'm just going to use a freehand, but preferably use a ruler. And that should go through the correct points. Because mine isn't a ruler, I haven't done it correctly, but minus 1, minus 5 would hit there. It should go through there, and so on. And that will be the 3rd mark. So 1 for the table of values, 2 for plotting correctly, and 3 for drawing the graph. Okay, so just go through that again. Get your table of values so you can get each x, y coordinate point. Use substitution or sequences to find each of those points and then plot them correctly. Okay, there we go. That's a 3-mark question in the November 2023 Maths GCSE Foundation paper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck with your maths.